The spring trip has begun!
Yes!
Looking for the treasure chest. Children, 2 treasure chest keys have been lost in the woods. Can everyone help me look for them?
Yay! Time to look for the key!
That is Mommy Duck. Let's go and ask her. What should I do? What should I do? My children are missing.
Mommy Duck, don't worry. We will help you.
A storm is coming. Quick, help me look for the baby ducks.
Little duck, where are you? There's a snake! Little ducks are so naughty!
I am so grateful to you.
Be careful! There's a snake! Little duck, don't run! Little ducks have hidden again!
Thank you.
Be careful! There's a snake! Little ducks are so naughty!
I am so grateful to you.
Little duck, don't run!
Thank you. Are you looking for something?
We're looking for the keys to the treasure chest.
I have one here. Take it.
Mr. Mole, what are you doing?
There's treasure under the ground. I'm digging for it.
Let's dig together with him. Yay!
There's great treasure under the ground. Help me dig quick. Click on the earth to dig a hole to look for treasure. The shiny spots are where the treasure is. That's too far, so you can't dig there. Yay! I eat potatoes to become big and strong. The shiny spots are where the treasure is. The shiny spots are where the treasure is. That's too far, so you can't dig there. The stone is too hard to dig. The shiny spots are where the treasure is. That's too far, so you can't dig there. Yay! I eat potatoes to become big and strong. The shiny spots are where the treasure is. The stone is too hard to dig. That's too far, so you can't dig there. Yay! I eat potatoes to become big and strong. The shiny spots are where the treasure is. you! Are you looking for the keys to the treasure chest? Yes! I've found the keys to the treasure chest. You can have it! There is the treasure chest! Let's go and open it!
Magic key to open the treasure chest!
Yes, this is the one. Having a picnic. Picnic time! Let's pick a pretty picnic blanket. Everyone is here for the picnic. So happy!
I want this one!
Pour some milk for your little friends to drink. Who wants some?
I want this one!
What kind of spread should be put on the crackers?
I don't want to eat this. I want this one!
Delicious donuts! Who wants one?
I want this one!
Watermelon, watermelon! Cut, cut, cut! Who wants some? When the picnic is over, we must clean up to keep our environment clean. Sliding on the grass.
Pick a grass surfboard. Oh? Let's slide on the grass.
Click to make Kiki jump up. Catching butterflies. Time to chase butterflies. Pick a pretty net.
Oh!
Click on the butterfly to catch it.
I want this butterfly.
Not this butterfly. Not this butterfly. Not this butterfly. Not this butterfly.
Thank you. I want this butterfly.
Click on the butterfly to catch. Ah! The butterfly has spread a layer of pollen. Quick, wipe it off.
This one. I want this butterfly.
Click on the butterfly to catch.
I caught butterfly!
Click on the butterfly to catch it.
That's great! I like this butterfly!
Click on the butterfly to catch it.
Thank you!
Barbecuing. What should we barbecue?
I love to eat fish. I like this flavor. I like this flavor. I like this flavor. I like this flavor.
What should we barbecue?
I want to eat shrimp. I want fish. I like this flavor. I want to add fish seasoning. I like this flavor. So delicious! I want to add fish seasoning.
What should we barbecue?
Could you grill a corn on the cob for me? I want to eat a big shrimp. I want fish. I like this flavor. I want to add fish seasoning. Add some seasoning for me, please. I want to add fish seasoning. I want to add fish seasoning. I want to add fish seasoning.
Starting a fire. Chop some wood to start a fire. When you chop and open a piece of wood that has stars, those stars will be yours. Be careful of the beehive. Be careful of the beehive. 5. Super big piece of wood. Chop, chop, chop! Wow, firewood! Next, we are going to start a fire by drilling wood. Drill, drill. Look, the piece of wood is starting to smoke. Kiki, come quick, blow some air. The fire is started! Pitching a tent. Time to pitch a tent. Round top tent. Pull the hook to hoist the tent up. Hammer 4 nails to secure the tent. 1, 2, 3, 4. Choose a tent that you like. Inflatable tent. First, we must inflate the tent. Choose a tent that you like. Pull 2 ropes so the tent won't be blown away. 2, 3. Triangular tent. Set up the frame first. 1, 2, 3. Once the frame is set up, use tape to secure it. Choose a tent that you like. Yay! The tent is up, and we can go into it now.
Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you!